Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you not one but two recipes with moonshine. And I know, before I scare anyone away because of the moonshine part, I gotta tell you, moonshine doesn't mean what it used to mean anymore. There's a lot of cool brands out there that have made it approachable, such as Platte, which is the one we're gonna use for today's video. So stay there, let's start it. So this recipe is super easy. All you gotta do to start is put ice in a shaker. Perfect. Next, you're gonna squeeze some strawberries. There we go. In the shaker again. It's not a lot of juice, but it comes out a little. There you go. Next, you're gonna squeeze lemon in the shaker as well. There we go. Woo. Perfect. Now, the most important part, the spirit you chose, 2 ounces of moonshine. Perfect. And the last ingredient you need before you shake, pineapple juice. 2 ounces of pineapple juice as well. There we go. Perfect. Everything in the shaker. And now you're gonna feel like you're a bartender. Shake the hell out of it. Perfect. I'm gonna put an ice cube in the glass. I happen to have a round one, but that's up to you. You don't need it. Boom. And strain it directly in your glass. Why is it not coming? Oh, damn it. That was hilarious. Now, all you gotta do is strain your drink directly into your glass. Woo. Whenever. And now we're just being fancy. I got some pineapple leaves. There we go. Some pineapple slices now. Super pretty. And I got a strawberry right here, guys. There we go. And a lemon wheel. And now all you need, if you want it or not, I have a metal straw. I care about the environment. And you have a perfect summer drink to enjoy. It's super easy to make and really, really refreshing. So this next recipe is the simpler of the two of them. All you gotta do is get a tall glass, fill up to the top with ice. I'm trying to fill up as quickly as I can. There you go. And wait, one more. Now, you're gonna add the 2 ounces of the moonshine you have. Ooh, perfect. Why do I always do this stuff? Now, literally, you can eyeball the lemonade part. Fill it up more than halfway, of course. Boom. I am gonna add something for my personal taste. This part is optional, you guys don't have it. I have a lemon ginger tea bag that I am gonna stuff in there. I just like the ginger taste. You can totally and completely skip this part. You're not gonna miss anything. It's my personal flavor. Last part, you're gonna float some iced tea. If you don't have a bartender spoon, just get like a coffee spoon and you're gonna lean it against the ice and then you're gonna pour the tea over it slowly so you can have that pretty layered look. There we go. And super simple for garnish. Some lemon wedges. There you go. And I have a gigantic metal straw, but again, you don't need to. And one more perfect summer drink, super easy to make it at home. And again, I'm calling this Summer Shine because I don't know if Arnold Palmer's trademarked. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe. I want to hear all your comments. If you have a recipe that you like and I have not covered it yet, send it to me. I will find a way to record it for you guys. I'll put my own spin on it, so it's not gonna be what you guys know. So thank you again, and I'll see you soon. And cheers.